Hi friends! Welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub. Today, we're going to draw something really cool and super fun, a colorful staircase.
Yay!
Are you ready to draw with me? Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Let's start with a vertical line. Now, we'll draw the steps. We'll begin from the top. First step. Second step. Third step. Fourth step. Now let's draw a platform. This is where we'll turn the stairs. Great! Now from this platform, let's draw 3 more steps going in a different direction. Wow! That's looking awesome. Now, let's make the outline bold and sharp, so our staircase really pops out. Trace over your lines nice and carefully. Nice job, everyone!
Yay!
Now it's time to color. Let's use our rainbow colors today. Ready? Let's go! Light red color.
Wow!
Orange color. Yellow color. Green color. Blue color. Purple color.
La da 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 dee.
Wow! Your staircase looks so bright and colorful. You did a wonderful job today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Toddlers Art Hub for more fun drawings. See you next time.
Yay!
Bye-bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.